Hey Practicum family, how you guys doing? Hope everything's good. I'm going to do a quick demo for you with the drill press. I heard you guys wanted to try to attach some of these metal sheets to metal bar and create some rivet holes to do that. So we have an 1/8 of an inch drill bit set up here and attached, and we're going to try to press some 1/8 inch holes in order to make some rivet holes. So first off, so you guys know, an important thing to remember, the bigger the hole you're making or the harder the material you're working with, the slower the speed of your drill press needs to be. So since we're using a fairly small drill bit and making a very small hole, we need a much higher speed. There's a chart usually in the studio behind this guy, and there's also another chart on the inside. So we're gonna pop it open. The chart's right here. And but looking at the chart earlier, it told us that it needs to be at the second highest speed in order to have an 1/8 inch hole in a metal object. So it's at the third speed right now, as you can see, 1, 2, and 3. And you just slide it up. Be careful not to pinch yourself. But rotate it a little and bring the band up, and it should just pop over like that. And do the same for the other side. And then there you go, you have yourself second highest speed. Close that up. And add a little metal lube. This will help with cutting and drilling into metal and prevent the heat from ruining any of the objects. Alright, so this is something that you're definitely going to have to take your time with, especially using a smaller bit. It increases the chance of you possibly breaking that bit, so you have to go really, really slow. So let's turn it on. Twist down. Not moving much at all right now. And there you go, that's through. Let's just do this for now. Now you can create your own measurement system or system of precision for attaching your bar to your sheet, because I know that you'll have your own measurements, but since these are little sample pieces, I'm just going to set this up right here so that the hole is perfect. Down. And let's add some lip to that. Just a drop. Move it around. Turn it off. Not much pressure at all. It's just let it do its job. So now that we have our 2 holes, of course you'd have to clean off a lot of the residue and the lube that you just used. And then we'll take our rivet. And our rivet gun. Poke it through. And then poke it through. And then make sure it fits all the way through. If the 1/8 of an inch isn't working, you might have to drill a little more. This is fairly sliding through, so I'm gonna keep working with it. And then just pull. you go. You have a rivet in. And it looks like it fits pretty nicely. But yeah, and that's pretty much how you set up the spaces on metal for your rivet. There you go. Thanks guys.
Steve, man.
Until next time, stay classy.